What's going on, guys? So as you can see, I forgot to film an intro, so kind of like an outro at the beginning of the video. But we're all covered in mud. We took this Corvette and this Miata off-roading, had a couple of recoveries, and it was pretty much a ton of fun.
It was a blast, if you can't tell.
We were all covered in mud. We were actually in the Miata, and the Corvette covered us in mud because there's no roof on that one or anything. So if you guys want to check out the owners of these two cars, they're pretty cool. They do some really cool car stuff. It's Scrap Life Garage. I'll link them down below in the description so you guys can see. They have a lot of cool cars. So not even similar to this, I guess you would say. You just have a variety of cars.
All kinds of sports cars. All kinds of them.
Yeah, it's just a ton of random cars, basically. But if you guys want to check them out, links in the description. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have the Wrangler in the woods, and we're recovering a slightly different vehicle than we normally do at Alston's. So as you can see behind me, the Miata is stuck, the lifted Miata. And here we have a lifted Corvette that they've chopped up, also stuck.
Not lifted, full stock suspension on 33s. If it was lifted, I think it would have made it.
Yeah, they probably would have.
Turn the springs up? No, I didn't even do that. I didn't even do that, actually. These have adjustable corners where you can jack them and lower them from the factory. I didn't even mess with that. They might be all the way up there.
So we got to pull this Corvette off the logs. It was bottomed out here. We just did a pretty big burnout on logs. So we got to pull them back with the Wrangler and get them unstuck.
Can't go forward. Yep. That easy, huh? It's that simple.
So we're just going to drag this thing all the way out. Tighten this back up. All right, guys, so we went ahead, pulled the Corvette out. Jeep had no issue doing that. The Corvette made it really, really far if you consider that it should not be back here, really.
Yep. Oh, what they got there? You good? You good? Okay, you're good. Yeah, if you want to disconnect from him, you just toss the strap. I don't think that's
You might.
power. If that one could get out of the way, just keep rocking it back and forth. Like it's almost there. You want to move yours so I can see if I can push it right there?
Yeah.
I'm almost disappointed. Alright, I just did all that, wasn't recording. I pulled it off. Huh? I just did all that, wasn't recording on this one.
Oh, you serious? I got some good ones snapped on.
Okay.
You might make it.
No.
There's a chance.
Well, I'm not making this.
There's a chance.
Just send it.
That was close.
Something's not happy. Did you hear the sound this Clark? I think he just stopped water in the velvet. The brake on? Yeah, I mean, the wheels really aren't rolling that well. Yeah. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. It's almost like locking up.